What man could not do, the Emperor sent his sons to accomplish. They were an antidote to the weakness of flesh and the sin of mind that kept man from greatness. His sons he sent to bear the cost of life and death, so that man may prosper. Such a heavy burden was as poison to the blood of his sons, and so the Emperor sent his executioner to set the afflicted free. Astorath the Grim serves as the High Chaplain of the Blood Angels during the era Indomitus. Known as the Redeemer of the Lost by his kin, Astorath bears the foreboding task of granting the Emperor's peace to those Astartes of the Blood who have surrendered to the Black Rage. Both revered and detested in equal measure by his brethren, the High Chaplain's hands are forever soaked in the blood of his brothers, with his duty to cull the Death Company of the Blood Angels. An avatar of death incarnate, his dour visage bears stark contrast with his contemporary, Lord Mephiston. Wielding the embellished executioner's axe in battle, clad in artificer armor bearing similarity to flayed skin, Astorath is a truly terrifying presence. The black wings of his jetpack, in stark contrast to the noble visage of his peers within the Sanguinary Guard, the High Chaplain descends from the heavens to grant mercy to his insane, fallen kin. Traversing the stars within his personal transport, the Eminence Sanguis, Astorath slumbers within his personal sarcophagus until rising to reap his fell harvest. Targeting the necks of his chargers with a single strike of his axe, such a killing stroke is the only reliable method of ending the lives of the empowered Berserk Angels. None within the chapter feel comfortable within the presence of the High Chaplain, for his aura instills the promise that one day his axe might end their own torment. Though an integral senior officer of the Blood Angels chapter, Astorath's authority extends to all successors of the Blood as the most senior chaplain of any son of the Great Angel. Venturing far and wide across the void to grant mercy to the lost and damned souls of Sanguinius' bloodline, perversely, many suggest that Astorath's presence exacerbates the call to the rage. Attuned to sense its onset symptoms, Astorath is said to hear ominous chords within his mind, which grow stronger the closer a battle brother under his gaze descends into madness. No matter the distance, these ominous tones do not abate until Astorath's axe has claimed its victim, even should they be beyond entire star systems away. The encapsulation of a true angel of death, Astorath is fueled by limitless sorrow in his determined mission to bring peace to every angel brought low by their curse. His hidden reclusiam within the fortress monastery of the Arx Angelicum, guarded by 5 chaplains known as the Erelim. These Astartes clad in stark black armor guard the sanctuary of Astorath from any who seek to harm their master. For there are few occupations more dangerous than a chaplain of a death company, and fewer still more perilous than the executioner of the most bloodthirsty warriors of the Adeptus Astartes.